Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. CMA student has so many doubts related with the CMA SAP skill training. So in this short video, I'll try to give the answers of every question related with the CMA SAP skill training. CMA Institute officially itself has given the answers of, you can say that from time to time, CMA student ask so many questions through mail. So institute try to make a consolidated FAQ, which common questions CMA student are asking. So in this short video, you'll learn so many things and get the answers of your questions. Schedule the assessment well in advance. So yes, you have to well in advance book your CMA SAP assessment test. And also you cannot change time some other time. If you not appear or attend in SAP exam, so this will be, you can say that, consider the lapse of your one attempt. Check your registered email ID regularly for schedule notification, reminder and result mail. So yes, result mail you will receive after 7 days of successfully clearing the exam of SAP. Whether you can use mobile for SAP exam or not, the answer is not clearly mentioned, but I am saying yes, you can give SAP exam through mobile, but institute never suggests to give SAP exam through mobile. Institute suggests to use desktop, laptop, tablet to appear for the assessment, but it doesn't mean that you cannot appear SAP exam through mobile. Yes, you can appear. Log into the Narji portal 10 minutes before the assessment. So institute recommend you to join SAP exam 10 minutes before your main timetable. Read the instruction carefully before proceeding the assessment. Ensure that your network doesn't get disrupted during the assessment. Unfortunately, if your network disrupted, so again login, you can resume to the last question where you have left. The question for assessment will be MCQ. So all question will be MCQ. 40 mark you have to score individually for SAP, Microsoft or e-filling. In aggregate, 50% you have to score. There will be no negative marking. Okay. Assessment will be on SAP, Microsoft and e-filling. There will be no separate assessment or exam for Cambridge, although you will receive Cambridge certificate. So don't worry as of now for Cambridge. So many students are asking me, what about Cambridge? What about Cambridge assessment? So clearly there will be no exam for Cambridge, but you will receive certificate. There are two types of certificate. 4 certificate you will receive individually. One for SAP, one for Microsoft, one for e-filling, one for Cambridge, and one other certificate combined, which conclude or include SAP, Microsoft, e-filling or Cambridge. Do not click on read button during the assessment. Just complete the assessment. Don't click on reload button. Go through the help document and video in my assessment tab. Okay, in my assessment tab, there is a help document or video you can take. Although I have already made a video related with this, how to book slot, each and everything I have already made. Once you complete your assessment, please click on submit button. Mock test 15 question 20 minutes. Unlimited time you can attend, and this is optional. If you attend or not, it doesn't impact your main SAP exam. Mock test will be enabled for the students so that they can practice and be ready for the assessment. This is only for practice purpose. Total number of questions 50, 20 minutes. Student can practice as much as possible. Unlimited number of attempts. Student can schedule the mock and attend the test at that particular date and time. So you have to choose your date, time, and you need to attend or appear in the respective date or time. Scheduling the assessment. Why is scheduling the assessment is necessary? So that student, as per their choice, as per their availability, as per their convenience, can choose the time. Also, so many students are you can say appearing in the examination, so that there will be no you can see the pressure on the server. Although the main thing is that here institute convenience only, students convenience only. Scheduling the assessment is necessary because you can prepare yourself well in advance for the assessment. You can schedule it as per the time slot and dates given in the tab as per your availability or convenience. You will be notified about the assessment schedule immediately after you schedule. So you will receive a mail. How to schedule an assessment? I have already made a video on this. Simply click on Narji portal, username, password. There will be a tab, My Assessment. Come to My Assessment, book slot, time or date as per your convenience. Then you will receive a mail. How will I know the dates for assessment? Although me and so many YouTuber are also in Telegram channel, you will receive information about the dates of assessment. Although institute also mail to the students, and from Narji portal from time to time you can also check. When can I schedule the assessment? So it is better to schedule the assessment well in advance. So please, well in advance, you have to book the slot. You have to schedule the assessment at least one day before the assessment. So at least one day before or 1 week before you can book the slot. What happens if I miss a schedule? So one chance will be missed, and it appears that you have absent. Can I change the date and time of scheduled assessment? The answer is no. You have to appear in the well booked advance slot. When will be the start button be enabled? At the time and date of booking schedule. What is assessment? 90 question, 90 mark, 3 attempt, number of attempt. First 2 attempt result will be appear, or third attempt you will receive a mail within 3 days. Can I appear the assessment through mobile, laptop, desktop? Although nothing mentioned that mobile is restricted, so yes, you can use mobile, but institute recommend or suggest to give assessment through laptop or desktop. Is webcam and microphone required during assessment? For SAP assessment, including mock or main SAP assessment, there is no webcam required. There is no microphone or mic required. What is the pop-up that comes after I click on my start button? This is only a pop-up. Read the instructions carefully, like in this format. You just need to click on proceed button. So there are 4, you can see that color. First one is active, means you have to attend this question. Yet did not attend this question. Answered means you have given the answer of the question. View means you have given the answer, but you wanted to review before it submit. How can I recheck my answer at the end? So you can move to back, or you can check anytime before submitting your answer. What is review and submit button? You want, before submitting, you wanted to review the questions. What happens if I lose internet connectivity during the assessment? If there is an internet issue, so again you can log in. You will resume to the last question. How much bandwidth required for assessment? 4 Mbps at least. Which browser will be used? So Microsoft Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, any you can use. Passing quality, simply 40 mark in each, in SAP, Microsoft e-filling, or 50% in aggregate. 90 question total, 90 minutes, 80 questions of 55 questions will come from SAP, 30 questions will come from Microsoft, 50 questions from e-filling, 45 questions, okay, 40% you have to score. How will I know the result of my assessment? For first 2 attempt, the result will be shown immediately. For third attempt, you have to wait for a mail from institute. 3 days it will take. Well, I know the score after the assessment. Score will not be appear. Only you have passed or failed. This is only appear. What happens if I do not clear the assessment in 3 attempts? So again, you have to pay a small amount for again every reattempt. Where can I see the certificate for skill training? So my courses, there is a 3 tab in Narji portal. First one, my courses. Here you can download the study material of SAP. My assessment, you can book the slot of mock test or main SAP assessment. My certificate, in this, after completing successfully 7 days after the clearing the SAP exam, you will receive a certificate. Will I get the certificate if I fail the assessment? No, only past student will get. How can I view, download and print the certificate? So my certification section you can download. Like this, you will get the certificate like this. What is QR code? Do I need to open to scan a QR code? Simply QR code. There is a QR code in the certificate. You just need to scan the QR code and you will directly move to Narji portal where you can again download your certificate. Like this is the QR code. How to scan QR code? I have already shared. Simply in Google you can scan the QR code, or you can directly move into the Narji portal where you can download your certificate. So this is the common questions. I hope each and every question Institute has tried to given, and these are all the common questions which I have also encountered during CMA students. So please watch it carefully. I have tried to make it as much as possible in less time. So this is all about from my side. I still have questions. Definitely in comment section you can ask me. I will give the answer of your question, or in Telegram channel you can also ask your questions where I will also give the answer of your question. So this is all about from my side in this video. Bye guys.